Imagine standing on the shore of an endless ocean, the waves lapping gently at your feet. It seems calm, serene even, but beneath the surface lies a world almost entirely unknown. A realm of alien-like creatures, forgotten shipwrecks, and landscapes so profound they defy imagination. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, yet humans have explored less than 20% of its depths. What's lurking in the depths, or perhaps waiting for us? Humanity has always been captivated and terrified by the sea. It's a cradle of life, but also a graveyard of mysteries. The ocean is beautiful, vast, and utterly indifferent to us today. We're diving into why the ocean is one of the most haunting places on Earth. From monstrous deep-sea creatures to the uncanny silence of its trenches, and even its role as Earth's memory. We'll explore why it continues to send chills down our spines, why the ocean instills Firth's fear of the ocean, known as thalassophobia, runs deeper than the fear of drowning or being attacked by a shark. It's a primal unease about vastness, depth, and the unknown. On the surface, the ocean may look tranquil, but beneath lies a realm that defies human comprehension. A vast and alien landscaped ocean is our planet's final frontier. Its depths stretch beyond our imaginations, housing towering underwater mountains and immeasurable trenches. At nearly 36,000 feet, the Mariana Trench is so deep it could easily swallow Mount Everest, with its summit still over a mile below the surface. The seafloor is like an alien world, dark, silent, and hostile to human life. Yet, this isn't a barren place. These strata are alive, with ecosystems that have adapted to the deep's crushing pressures and eternal darkness. Hydrothermal vents spew superheated minerals, creating bizarre oases where creatures thrive without sunlight, a stark reminder of how unexpected life's resilience can be. Creatures of the abyss, alien in nature. Ocean's most terrifying secrets aren't its size or depth, but its creatures. The deeper we go, the stranger life becomes. Such creatures echo what science fiction has long imagined. The angler lures its prey with a glowing appendage in complete darkness, its oversized jaw housing jagged, nightmarish teeth. Giant squids, once mythologized as the kraken, are really elusive giants, up to 43 feet long, with tentacles strong enough to overpower whales. Tiny yet haunting bioluminescent microorganisms light up the water with an otherworldly shimmer, a beautiful and eerie indicator of life in the depths. Even more unnerving is how these creatures exist in perpetual isolation, under pressure so intense they would crush any human-made vessel. Their adaptations push the limits of biology, appearing almost supernatural to us. The fear of depth, looking into infinitide's psychological horror of the ocean, lies in its very nature. Vast, endless, and filled with darkness. Floating in the middle of open water is like staring into a void and infinite expanse, without edges or bottom. The absence of scale or bearing triggers a sense of insignificance and vulnerability. But it's not just about what we see, it's about what we don't see. Hidden just below the surface might be massive sharks, elusive squids, or even forces we can't comprehend. The ocean's depths are a manifestation of the ultimate unknown, tapping into the human fear of mystery. Shipwrecks, and the ocean's ghost storyist. Ocean is also a graveyard, its power to swallow vessels whole, leaving them forgotten on the seabed, is a sobering reminder of its dominion over us. The Titanic sits in eerie silence over 12,500 feet below, its grand corridors now home to sea life. But it is only one of countless wrecks. The Bermuda Triangle, whether fueled by science or myth, has claimed hundreds of ships and aircraft over time. Each wreck is a time capsule, a macabre testament to the unpredictability of the sea. These ruins cast the ocean not just as a force of nature, but as a keeper of secrets where human ambition meets nature's indifference. Unyielding forces, currents, waves, and storms the ocean's surface, deceptively beautiful, harbors chaos too. From rogue waves to hurricanes, its unpredictable violence reminds us how powerless we are. Rogue waves, reaching heights of up to 100 feet, were once deemed sailors' myths. Today, they are recognized as rare but real events, powerful enough to sink massive ships. Hurricanes gain their immense energy from warm ocean waters, transforming coastal paradises into disaster zones. Tsunamis, triggered by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions, reshape coastlines in minutes, leaving devastation in their wake. The ocean's endless cycles, from gentle tides to catastrophic storms, are indifferent to humanity. These forces can nurture life or erase it. Creatures of the midnight zone, life in perpetual darkness, below 1,000 meters. The sun's light ceases to reach. Known as the midnight zone, the ocean here is entirely black, yet teeming with alien-like lifeforms. Creatures like the vampire. Squid glow faintly with bioluminescent organs to outwit predators. The gulper eel uses its grotesquely large mouth to swallow prey several times its size. And the giant isopod, resembling an oversized pill bug, crawls eerily along the ocean floor. This midnight zone, where no human could survive unaided, proves that life can thrive under conditions so extreme they seem unimaginable. The trenches? The Earth's deepest secrets, world's trenchest places, like the Challenger. Deep of the Mariana Trench, the harshest habitats on Earth. They're also among the most unexplored. At these depths, pressure exceeds 1,000 times that at sea level, creating an environment both deadly and mysterious. Life here, like microbial colonies around hydrothermal vents or strange crustaceans, defies our understanding of survival. Such adaptations hint at the resilience of life and, perhaps, what might exist beyond Earth. The ocean's role in human history. Survival and destruction for millennia. The ocean has framed human life. It sustains us with its bounty, connects distant civilizations, and fuels myths that reflect both its power and mystery. Yet it also reminds us of its relentless nature. The Indian Ocean tsunami of 2004. A cataclysmic event claimed over 230,000 lives, showing how unyielding the sea becomes when provoked. History's great voyages, including the Age of parallels between bravery and the ocean's ever-present danger. The ocean, as a symbol of the unknown, literature, mythology, and philosophy, consistently use the ocean as a metaphor for the unknown parts of ourselves. In works like Moby Dick, the whale represents an unattainable obsession, while the ocean embodies the chaos of nature. Similarly, the myth of Atlantis, swallowed whole by the sea, serves as both warning and fascination. The ocean invites us to see it not only as a geographical wonder, but as a mirror of the human psyche, deep, unexplored, and equal parts magnificent and terrifying. Modern challenges. A changing ocean. Climate change has shifted how we interact with the ocean. Rising sea levels, melting polar ice caps, and ocean acidification threaten ecosystems that humanity relies upon. Coral reefs, vital to marine biodiversity, are disappearing due to warming waters. The image of a pristine ocean is giving way to one struggling under human influence. This modern fear that the ocean is changing for the worse forces us to confront our role in the health of our planet. Hope in the abyss. The ocean's resilience. Despite its challenges, the ocean remains resilient. Conservation efforts, such as restoring coral reefs or reducing plastic pollution, show that nature can recover when given a chance. Deep sea exploration continues to uncover not only new species, but also innovative ways to protect marine ecosystems. Protecting the ocean isn't just about the environment. It's about securing the future of life itself. Final reflections. The ocean's eternal invitation. Ocean's paradox lies in its ability to terrify and inspire. Its depths reveal both the limits of human understanding and the boundless possibilities of life. To respect the ocean is to embrace our vulnerability and curiosity. Standing on the shore, gazing at the horizon, We feel the pull of the waves, a reminder of the mysteries they conceal. The ocean challenges us to face both the unknown outside and the uncharted within, offering endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. And just as the waves continue their rhythm, so too will humanity's fascination with the abyss, timeless, daunting, and unforgettable.